This morning, Bay District Schools posted on Facebook asking parents to talk to their kids about why they should not pull fire alarms at school unless there is a real emergency. Authorities say they've seen an influx in false alarms over the last couple of weeks. As News 13's Grace Velez tells us, school officials say the behavior may be linked to an online trend.
Pulling a fire alarm without cause can create unnecessary panic and could take first responders away from real emergencies. Bay District school safety officials say they've seen this situation play out more than usual in recent weeks.
We've had a big uptick in fire alarms being pulled at schools by children. Primarily our elementary schools, but we have had a few in the secondary level.
Barth says the incidents have occurred in nearly half a dozen Bay District schools, with 2 fire alarms being pulled in one day at an unnamed school earlier this week.
We were able to go up to the school that had the 2 pulled the other day. The administrator and the SRO there did a fantastic job of explaining it to the students just about the importance of not doing such a big safety risk.
Barth says an administrator at that school helped connect the recent uptick to a popular gaming platform.
There's a little challenge on a game called Roblox called Fire Alarm Pull Challenge, and after doing a little research on my own, I did discover it to be accurate, and you can actually find the video online and look at it, and it shows a caricature who actually does run and pull the fire alarm and runs out the door, and next thing you know, you see them sitting in front of the principal's desk and it shows them getting expelled.
But Barth points out there are other consequences for pulling a fire alarm without cause.
I will tell you, we've had some secondary kids who have had some disruption charges brought against them for this type of an incident. Obviously, our goal is not to try to arrest any child for any reason.
The Bay County Sheriff's Office has confirmed they arrested a secondary student 2 weeks ago, around the time Barth says they started to see the trend affect the district.
We've seen about 10 in the last 2 weeks, actually. We've seen quite a few, and unfortunately, we've had quite a few different fire agencies having to respond. We've had just 3 within the last 2 days.
Barth says safety never sleeps, and the school district and first responders take every alarm seriously. In Panama City, Grace Velez, News 13, Panhandle Strong.
Barth encourages guardians to speak with their children about the repercussions at hand. He also plans to mention the topic to other school safety directors to see if those other Florida school districts are having the same impact.